As always, we're going to start by jumping in and warming up. From the subjective point of view of your character, I want you to answer this questionnaire. I'm going to say you, but of course you can use your character. But don't use logic or rationale. Just associate. See what happens. Keep it short and let it get weird. Okay, ready? A, what desolation has occurred in your life? B, what kind of tree do you always see? C, describe the time of day you last saw that tree and then describe the leaves. D, finish this sentence. You may have to break your heart, but it isn't nothing to know. E, describe a sound you heard last time you felt grateful to be alive. F, describe a smell that you smell frequently but always surprises you. G, describe something that you see on your walk or in your car every day that others might see as mundane, but that you think is beautiful. H, name an article of clothing you appreciate for its texture and or form and or function. For example, warm socks. And then finally, I, finish this sentence. I remember my enter person most important to you during your childhood, and his or her enter seemingly small but meaningful action. When you're done with that questionnaire, come on back.